If you were betting on the market losing steam the 1st of August, you are absolutely correct. And congratulations if you are shorting the market. The crypto news today, we are looking at Bitcoin and altcoins are crashing today, and I'm going to tell you why. So stick around to the end. I'm going to show you some historical information and try to pinpoint when we think that the market could turn around. So let's jump into it in this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow me on X as well if you're watching over there. So let's take a look at what's going on here on CoinMarketCap. We are seeing the entire market down about 3.35% today. Bitcoin down 3% down to 113.4. This is the first time we've dropped down below 115 in a little bit. Well, it seems like forever because crypto just moves so quickly. It just seems like forever ago that we've been up into this hundred and teens, so to speak, that price range, right? Ethereum is also down around 3,500, and the biggest losers that we have today is Hyperliquid is down 12%, Curve, SPX, Jupiter, Render, Pump, Radium, Pendle, and Ejective, and ENS rounds out the top 10 biggest losers for today so far. So let's take a look at the biggest winners. So there's not very many of them. We've got Athena, and then we have, when you have some of these trending here that it's definitely not a good day. USDC is up there, Tether, etc. It's a bad day when stable coins are amongst the top gainers of the day. So what's really going on here? Well, we are having a bit of a crash, and there's a few different scenarios, a few different reasons why we're seeing this. Number one, tariffs. We're reacting to escalating trade war between the US and other countries. President Donald Trump has imposed 25% tariff on India, 30 on South Africa, 39 on most goods imported to Switzerland, and I believe it was 35 to Canada was imposed as well. So, there's a number of scenarios going on right now where people aren't sure exactly where this is going to take us, if it's going to lead to more inflation. US signed some trade deals with countries like Japan, EU, UK, but they also still remain some fairly steep tariffs. US inflation may stay elevated for a little bit longer, forcing the Federal Reserve to, basically not look at cutting rates. I mean, they're going to analyze the data as they see it coming in. But I know Jerome Powell mentioned the other day when he was talking about his interest rate decision that they are not sure what's going to happen with tariffs. They seem very uncertain, and that's what's leading to a number of these cuts not happening, right? We thought we were going to be getting a few cuts by now, and it's just not happening. But August historically is a down month for crypto. Markets declining partially due to seasonal trends like this as well. Ethereum's price dropped by 22% in August last year, 11 in 2023, 7 in 2022. The average return for August stands at about 5.14%. I will take a look at some more data on that as well. Now, the U.S. economy is looking like it's slowing. I know that there was a conflict with some of the job numbers coming into play. Some were accusing others of maybe embellishing or what have you. But as of right now, what I know, the economy added just 73,000 jobs. The unemployment rate rose to 4.3%. So that is, aligning with the projections shared by the Fed. And investors are also continuing to book profits. We saw a record number of profits coming is just since May. A healthy pullback is coming right now, and it is, this is not uncommon. This is not something that we didn't see coming, guys. We can't just run up drastically and not have some sort of a pullback or a bit of a correction, especially in Bitcoin's scenario, though. So let's jump over, take a look at this. This is the Bitcoin monthly returns. So this is in percentages. We can see these are the years here. So I'm going to just kind of focus on, maybe the most current, maybe the last 5 years or so. But we take a look at this. We've got 2 months in August that Bitcoin has been positive in the last 5 years. And so far right now we're minus 1% in August of 2025. But as of, we're taking a look at this, that's a number of negative months, in my opinion, in the red. So, and we're taking a look at back in September. So in September, historically, in the last 5 years, we've had let's see here. We've had three in the red and two as well in the green. So we can take a look at October. Look at October. October is normally, I know I said this last year, and we had a number of things going on, especially with the presidential election, and we had inflation going on, and a number of things that were kind of stifling the crypto prices, right? But now we're seeing things kind of start coming into play. I mean, tariffs eventually in October, we're gonna feel the effect. We're gonna know how they're gonna impact the market, right? So I'm anticipating October to be a fairly decent month as long as inflation stays a bit down, and we get some good data coming into the Federal Reserve. We get some interest rate cuts. I'm anticipating almost full send in October, to be honest with you guys, as long as those things work out. That's just my prediction. That's just obviously predictions. I don't have a crystal ball. I can't tell you what tariffs are going to be doing next week, 3 weeks down the road, but I can say that if things level out and they're not too bad, and the whole tariff situation doesn't amount to a whole heck of a lot, in regards to inflation. If with the Federal Reserve cuts rates, October is going to be absolutely insane. So I'm looking forward to that, seeing what happens. But historically, all we can do is go back on the data that we have, and that is what we have right now to support that. So that's what I got for you guys in this video. I just want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and I also want to let you know about my trading indicator, CF Algo. You can check it out over cfalgo.com. You can also scan the QR code up in the right-hand corner there. So what it does is it helps you determine when the best time to buy and sell is. Right now, I had a number of sell signals coming over in the last few days. Closed some of my shorts, or sorry, some of my, I closed some of my longs. Just kind of, I do a little bit of swing trading on the side as well as my long-term holding. So close some of those trades because you could see the market was going to go down. Some of them I did even secure profit on still, so that's really, really cool. But it comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. So in the first 30 days, you decide that you don't want it anymore, it's completely fine. Just let us know, and we'll be happy to help you out with that. But most of the feedback I've been getting right now from my customers has been very, very positive. It's been helping people make the right decisions in terms of when to buy and when to sell. It runs on the TradingView platform, which is the most widely used platform for traders. They have a free app you can download in the App Store, and my indicator runs on top of that app as well. So it'll alert you, tell TradingView when to alert you when buy and sell signals occur on the chart, so that you can stay best informed and you don't have to sit there and stare at charts all day. Go about your day, spend time with your family, go to work and not have to worry about, hey, shoot, what if my trade goes down and I lose out, or whatever, or what if this coin that I've been watching has a signal and it's going to spike. Well, you don't have to worry about that. You can go about your day and get notified using the app on TradingView. That's what I got for you guys. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.